Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your profile on the 433 football application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Once it is loaded in, go to your home page, and after that tap on the menu icon down below. Click on the last icon in the second row, profile. Then tap on edit profile. Here you can type in or change your first and last name. You can select your username by tapping on the box and deleting it. You can also select your shirt number. Your date of birth can be changed to your gender. And you can also say a few words about yourself, up to 70 characters in the bio section. After that, click on the save button down below to update your profile. So if you would like to, you can also add the profile picture by tapping on this yellow button at the top of the screen. You can either select a picture or take a picture with your camera. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.